So it says here in the diagram, ABCD is a rectangle, and we know AB, it says 65, and we know the diagonal there. And it does say in the question, doesn't it? Read the question carefully. It says calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. The perimeter, remember, okay, is the total distance outside the shape, around the shape. Okay, so if you were to walk around the shape, okay, you would be totaling up the distance that you've walked. Okay, so it's not inside. We won't include that. It's the distance around. Now we know AB is 65, so we know how much you'd be walking there. Okay, and we could also say then, well, that's going to be 65, yeah, because it's opposite side of the rectangle, so it'll be identical. What we don't know is this side here. Okay, it's just not given to us. However, with the fact that they're giving us a diagonal here, we could look at this triangle, okay, and we've got those two sides, so we could use Pythagoras, okay. We could use Pythagoras to figure out that side there. So this side I'm going to call I'm going to call C, yeah, okay, because it's the longest side, it's opposite the right angle, okay, the hypotenuse. The other sides then A and B, it doesn't really matter, right? Okay, maybe we'll do it like that. And we're using Pythagoras. You've got the A squared plus B squared is C squared. So B will be 65, so 65 squared. C squared there will be 90 squared. And then you could then work out each of these individually. So 65 then squared comes out to be 4225. 90 squared then is 8,100. Now because they're on opposite sides, you need to take that over the other side, yeah, to get A squared. Okay, so when you take it over, it becomes a minus, right? So 8100, take away 4225, so you get out 3875. Okay, so that's what it is, 3875. Now, of course, that's A squared. To get A then with Pythagoras, you do the square root. So square root of that answer, and it comes out to be 62.2. Okay, 62.2 centimeters. So I would perhaps round it there to 1 decimal place. Okay, I think that's appropriate there, 1 decimal place. So we know that side there's 62.2. And of course then the opposite side is also the same, 62.2. This will then enable us to work out the perimeter. So if I call it P for perimeter, you just literally then need to think about yourself walking around, so 65, and then you walk in along here, 62.2, 65 and 62.2. So you add them all up. Okay, so if I do that on my calculator, it comes out to be 254.4. And units will just be centimeters, won't it? Because you're measuring length, aren't you? Okay, so it's just the combination of these lengths. Okay, they're all centimeters. So that's the totality of it there then. Okay.